flat spasming. It doesn't know if you're fucking breathing or not. So there you go. It's in your esophagus. Fucking basically, you gotta fucking tell your mind yourself, oh, I'm breathing right now. Fucking, I ain't swallowing nothing. Fucking, if I'm swallowing something, fucking,
it's just a flap.
Yeah, it's confused at the time. That's all hiccups are. Or your fucking mind is fucking confusing your own body part.
It's trying to swallow air right now.
Yeah.
Is what it's doing. It's trying to ingest air.
How do I get stop though?
You gotta take your mind off.
It works for me. I hold
That's
my
why I told
breath.
you to think of 10 bald guys. Take your mind off
It's all about
it.
taking your mind off of fucking our famous, or from my class, my famous shit, or our famous shit is, I bet you can't do 3 push-ups.
I just breathe through and I only hiccup like 3 times.
Me? Me? I don't have hiccups.
Okay.
3 push-ups with David standing on top of you.
Do it.
David, how much do you weigh?
197 pounds.
He's like a feather.
Damn,
He's like
dude.
a feather.
I'll sit on you. My legs will be off the ground and that'll take some weight off.
Sure.
Uh-huh.
I'll try.
They're gone.
Alright.
They're gone.
Here.
They're gone.
No, they
No,
aren't.
you can't say
Here.
that.
I held my
Here,
breath for a really long
Record
time.
this.
That's it.
Tyler's gonna do push-ups.
How
He's
do I
sitting on his
record?
back. It's recording. Just hold it and look at it.
Damn it.
Damn.
Let me get my penis out for the situation.
Get your penis out for every situation.
David?
What do you guys do with
Can I have a cigarette?
for each other?
David, can I have a cigarette?
Drew.
I'm not gonna buy any. I'm drinking. I can have some.
Oh, he exhaled. He was like, oh.
He's a Marine. He can
Can I sit
handle
higher
shit.
up?
I want 20
It's
sit-ups,
mind
motherfucker.
over matter. Mind over matter. Yeah?
Hold on, I'm falling.
1.
David's got to readjust.
Oh, let me sit up a little bit.
He's
He's
kinda
gonna
fucked
straddle
up there.
you. Straddle him. Straddle him.
2.
You're killing
1
him.
more.
He's turning red.
3. That was 3. That was 3. Let's knock it out.
Yeah, but see, he's a Marine. He can do more. He can do 1 more.
He did 1 more.
That's right.
I heard that shit.
That was hardcore.
Felt so good.
It did. Now I gotta rest my back for a minute. Oh, man.
Are you done recording?
No. Are you?
No. Are you?
No.
You should be.
I'll wait for 3 minutes.
No. Can I see this?
Hold on a second.
Let me see.
Hold on.